Good afternoon, everybody. I know my face looks a little messy. I have like eyeliner underneath. We have a few things planned today. We're gonna go out. We're gonna have some seafood boil. We're just gonna bring you guys with us. Right now I'm gonna get ready. I'm just gonna get ready really quick because I actually ran out of foundation. So I'm just gonna make this real quick. It's already like 2:30. We got up really late today because we went to sleep really late last night. So that is why we're up late. Also, don't forget, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, leave a like, and leave a comment down below. Why did you stare at me? So we're here at the gas station getting gas. I wanted to show you guys my makeup. So I ran out of foundation. So I tried that look where you just put on a little bit of concealer, just like around your eyes. And honestly, the look isn't for me. Maybe I didn't do it right, I'm not sure. But yeah, I'm so hungry. We're about to go get some food. It's already like 3:40, I think. It's late. We haven't eaten anything. So I'm excited to try this place. They had good reviews. And I think this is like the only seafood boil in my area. So hopefully it's good. Hopefully we can go back. But yeah, I'm so hungry. I'm so freaking hungry, guys. We have arrived at our destination. We just got our Cajun fries, a little bit of ranch, some ketchup. So the combo that we got comes with corn, potatoes, sausage, shrimp, and crab legs. So this looks so bomb. We're just gonna get to it. So today is our 1 year and 4-month anniversary. So we're spending the day together. So it's dates day, dates afternoon, dates nights, all of that.
All that. Your eyes aren't even open.
Bro, they are open, I can see.
Now they are.
So Crab Hub was good. It wasn't as good as Hot and Juicy. Hot and Juicy is still like top tier, but the food sadly did not get us full, so we came across the street for some dessert. It's about that time. So this is what I got. I always mix a bunch of like different toppings and stuff, and I usually get plain tart, but today I also got this new pumpkin spice cold brew yogurt. I don't know, it sounded interesting, so I wanted to try it. I'm feeling full, I'm feeling good, but that pumpkin spice latte yogurt was not it. That shit tasted so strong and it left my mouth so dry. I don't know if that's possible with yogurt, but that's how I'm feeling right now. And Ozzy over here, he in a food coma right now. He is in a food coma. He wants to take a nap. We are gonna clean the house because we're gonna have people over. A few of our coworkers want to go out. We're going to Dave and Buster's tonight, I believe. I don't know. Plans always change. So we have to clean. And my apartment right now is so embarrassing. I don't even want to show you guys. But we got a lot to do. We got a lot to do. I told them to come over around like 8 o'clock. Right now it's 5:40. So that should give us enough time to wash dishes and do whatever we have to do. Because like I said, it's nasty in here. Okay, so the clothes that are right here, these are all washed. I washed these and most of it is folded, but I still have this little pile right here that needs to be folded. So that's why that looks like that. We ended up covering the couches with sheets because we had guests over, and also the cats have been messing up my couch. It's starting to turn gray, so that's that. So yeah, we would just have to like clean this up, but this is clean. A few stuff on the floor, but we could clean that too. And I just need to clean this, and then I have like hella dishes to wash. All right, so we are finished cleaning the apartment. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks now compared to before. It looks so much better. It smells so much better in here too. And honestly, it's 7:50 now. I told them to get here around 8 o'clock. So I have to fix my eyeliner because I did take off that concealer. As you guys can see, I don't have that white cast around my eyes. So I can do without the concealer. I'm just gonna redo my eyeliner and I'm gonna just chill until they get here. So Ozzy went ahead and he washed all the dishes for us. He swept. I cleaned the stove. It's looking real clean over here. The couch, I put everything away, but because of these covers, they're actually just like bed sheets, so that's why it doesn't look neat or anything. But it looks a lot cleaner. So yeah, this is what it's looking like. So much cleaner compared to before. Also, I want to show you guys how these lights look in the dark. I got these from Target. Each box was $5 and it comes with 100 lights. Let me go ahead and turn off the light and I'll show you how it looks. So this is what it looks like in the dark. This looks really messy because I used the wrong tape, so it just fell off the wall. So that's why it's not attached right. But the TV stand looks great. It's just this window. So it's a whole vibe in here. Honestly, it's a whole vibe. All right, so listen, I went ahead, I did my eyeliner, I just fixed it a little bit. One of my coworkers is on her way with her roommate. So in the meantime, I want to show you guys something. So last year when Ozzy and I went to San Fran, I filmed a video on that. You guys seen that he went half with me on this jade bracelet. I had been wanting a jade bracelet for a very long time, and we both decided we could just go half on the bracelet. So boom, he bought me a jade bracelet and I did not take it off. I literally wore it for a whole year because we bought it last August. So I was wearing it for a whole year. It's October now. So it's been a year and 2 months. And yesterday when I was cooking, I was like chopping up some garlic, you know, trying to mince it or whatnot, and I hit my wrist on the counter. And when I hit my wrist on the counter, this happened. My jade bracelet broke in half. I honestly didn't feel like I hit the counter that hard, but I might have just hit it in the right place. I'm not very sure. So now it is split into two, which is so sad because I've been wearing it every single day. I literally feel so naked without it. But I had to wear it every single day, and it was really weird at like the timing of it because we had just talked about going back to San Fran for Ozzy's birthday in November. So we are planning to go back, but I just thought it was so weird that it broke as soon as we planned on going back to San Fran. So I guess it's just time for another one. I went online and I looked up like what it means, because you know how like everything has like a superstitious meaning and stuff like that. So I went online to see what it meant, and I'm gonna tell you guys what it means. So it says, so I googled, what does it mean when your jade bracelet breaks? So I googled that. And it says, if a woman's jade bracelet breaks apart, then that means something terrible, such as accidents or sickness, was about to occur to the woman, yet her jade took the damage for her. In other words, it means that the jade takes the damage instead of the woman, allowing the woman to escape freely from the accident. So, whatever, yeah, I'm not sure. I don't know how much I believe that. I'm not sure. I know jade bracelets do have a lot of benefits to them, and there are a lot of meanings and a lot of reasons as to why women wear them. But yeah, mine broke in half. So I don't know. Is that bad luck? Is that good luck? Is that a good thing? I don't know. But what I do know is I'm going to get a replacement when I go to San Fran. We're on our way to Dave & Buster's. I'm feeling good. How you feeling?
I'm feeling good too.
Yes, sir.
Nice.
You're feeling spectacular? Okay, me too.
Hey, I will take it with you, bro. Where are they? Yeah, you got it. Was this like a clip or something?
That's cool. Oh, you car.
Kill the guy.
Oh my god.